Hi guys, today we are going to restore Samsung A20. As you can see, the device is bent and broken. The customer smashed the phone to the wall. So we are going to try to fix this device. For me, it's 50-50 to be fixed. I'm not sure if this phone is still working. I tested this while it's in this shape and the phone doesn't power on. The back cover it's open because of the hit. Unplug fingerprint flex cable and remove it. Now remove all screws from the border. Now remove SIM card slot. Now you can unplug the border from the frame with your nails or something plastic. There is something stuck. Avoid me to remove the back. There is two screws under the two sticker. As you can see, the white, I missed that screw in the bottom and the top. I hate when people put their own stickers on the device. Okay, remove the back frame. Unplug the battery. Remove flex cable connected main to the sub. Remove flex cable connected to the main board to the screen. Remove antenna connected to the main board. Remove antenna connected to the sub and then remove the charging board. Remove black screw in the main board. Remove the main board from the border. Heat the charging board with hot air gun for 2°C so we can make the adhesive soft, then we can remove it easily. As you can see, I heat the charging board and I barely can take it out. The adhesive is so hard. Remove the vibration. Remove ear speaker. Then we are going to remove the battery. It's better for you to heat the back from the screen so you can remove the battery easily. This battery was somehow removed easily because of the bent. Otherwise, I should use the heat gun to heat it from the back and then I can put some plastic tools between them and then push the battery out from the border. As always, care about dealing with battery. Don't bend the battery or hold the battery, otherwise they could be exploded. If you felt the battery is too hot, then go away from the device. Just survive your life. Okay, I bring a new screen with a new border. Now I'm going to put the pieces back to the screen and try to power on the device. Now let's put the pieces back. Start with the vibration, it's not there. Put the vibration. Then you can put the ear speaker. I don't know why this piece, the holder of the ear speaker, is missing from the new border. It's somehow strange for me. It always came with this border. I don't know. I had to take it from the old to the new one. Now you can put the ear speaker. Okay, go ahead, put the board back. The two flex cable, put everyone in position. This is the sub, from the sub to the main board, and the other one is for the screen, from the screen to the main board. As you can see, I missed it. I know what should. It's right on the flex cables, the main, the sub. I don't know why I mixed them. It's obvious the difference between them. Screen flex cable itself is not put down with adhesive, so when I assemble the foam pack I should put adhesive under the flex cable of the screen. Put the antenna back and then put the black screw in position. Put the other blue antenna back. The white antenna should go under the flex cables, both flex cables. I'm going now to put the adhesive for the flex cable of the screen. Because it's moving, I can't press the flex cable of the main board connected to the screen easily. Now we almost ready to make some assemble to put the charger on and test if the screen charging, powered on or something. Bring the charger, put the charger on and wait few seconds to see any sign of life. Okay, the device now is charging. Power on the device, make sure the device is already working with no any other problem. You should check the cameras, the ear speaker, the vibration, the ringer, loudspeaker. The screen touch seems okay. I just want to make the screen white. It was light. It's dark mode or something. The screen is perfect, is original one. I'm going to test the screen. Go to screen test. Okay, touch and test the screen. This only works for Samsung. All seems good. I'm going to test it another time to make sure all of the screen is working properly. I have already tested all pieces of the device. We can deliver the device to the customer with some other problems, so make sure the device is all working, and if something is not working, just fix it. Now all you have to do is to put all the pieces back where they belong, then you can put the last cover of the device, and that's it. Job's done. Today we was able to restore the Samsung A20 for the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Don't forget to support the channel by your like and subscribe. We will do something different in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.